Good morning, welcome back to another vlog. It is Thursday today, and where are we? We're at Target. This lip color is way too light. Yeah, they're coming and bringing out the groceries for us. This lip color is too light, or I don't know, something's going on. I'm wearing lashes, so the lashes always throw me off a little bit. We're getting groceries. Are we gonna get Bombas?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. And then I think we're gonna go to Starbucks after this. I kind of want to try that pistachio cold foam. I don't know, but I don't want... What? Yeah, here they come, look. Here they come. I don't want it in a cold brew because I've realized that I actually don't like cold brews. Okay, let's see. Where's she gonna go? Which way is she gonna go? That's a truck. Hi.
5146 helps
Yep.
you. Where would you like it?
In the trunk, please. Thank you.
Hi.
Say bye. Do you want some water now?
No.
You don't want water? Okay. That's fine. Those are all the groceries. That's an excavator.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
Have a good day.
Thanks, you too. All right. Okay, so we're gonna go to Starbucks after this, and we went to the playground before, and it was a little bit cold, but we did go to the playground. Wasn't that fun? He went down the slide by himself like a big boy. He's such a big boy. I think it's the lip that's bothering me. Are we ready to go to Starbucks? Do you want a cake pop? Yeah. Okay, here we go. All right, so I am in the drive-thru now of Starbucks, and I wanted to vlog today. I got a huge package in the mail from Shein last night, but I'm gonna do a big haul next week because it's a lot of really cute things. Very like pink and Valentine's Day inspired things, but I'm also wearing this sweatsuit that I'm obsessed with. It says Brooklyn, and then it has green, like dark green sweatpants to go with it, and I just love the color dark green. So I'm wearing that today. It's very cozy. Also, this scarf, it's not in the haul, but I did get this from Shein as well. Anyways, I'm gonna try that pistachio iced coffee today, and then I'm gonna get him a cake pop and hope that I don't regret that because he's been having a tough time going down for his naps lately. Hey, baby. Yeah, I'm gonna get you a cake pop. We're in line right now. Here, take this for now, though. Yeah, Mama hasn't ordered it yet. I shouldn't have said it out loud, huh? You're gonna get that. Do you want some water?
Baba.
That's him saying cake pop. Here you go, baby.
Baba.
I know, I haven't ordered it yet. My mistake. I've also been watching I Understand. Have you been a sweet boy? Yeah, Mama's gonna get you it. I've been watching Ginny and Georgia on Netflix, and I really like it. Baby, listen to Mama. I haven't ordered it yet. It's not in the trunk. I gotta order it. We're in the drive-thru right now. I have to order it first, and then we get it, okay? I kind of want a slice of pumpkin bread, too. Well, this order's gonna be like $20. It's ridiculous. Do I want the red velvet loaf, or do I want a piece of pumpkin bread? Do I want a grande? Do I want a tall? I don't even know if I'm gonna like the pistachio. I don't know. Anyways, I've been watching Ginny and Georgia on Netflix, and I really like it. I'm on the 2nd season. I really like it.
Baba.
Honey, Mama has to order it first. Anyways, I just wanted to vlog today, and screw me, right? I just got in. I wanted to do a little grocery haul. So we got some Nature Valley biscuits, almond butter, then nut butter bars. We got cheese. I want to make quesadillas. So got the cheese, got the tortillas, sour cream, black beans, and then we have some unhealthy things. Obviously, we have garlic bread, Morningstar. These are not really unhealthy. They're veggie dogs. Oakley really likes these. Organic breakfast biscuits. This is so yummy. Oakley really likes this. Then we got a pizza, so unhealthy. We got pizza and pasta, chicken carbonara. I wanted to make a drink that I saw on an Instagram reel. So I'm gonna do strawberry matcha. It's gonna be hopefully a yummy ice drink because I'm not a huge fan of matcha, but I think if I mix it with the right things, it'll be yummy. I got bananas. Yeah, and that's the matcha. I got this matcha latte to go with the strawberry. I have lettuce, apples, Light and Fit, strawberry cheesecake yogurts. Yep, Baby Bell cheese. Did you already eat that? You're not gonna have another one right now. Ketchup, these egg bites. Listen, the bacon one is so yummy, but they didn't have it in stock. Yeah, no more right now, okay? Oh, yeah, you're telling Teddy no? Okay. I got sponges, Mrs. Meyer spray. I like the lavender scent. We got milk, these yogurts for Oakley, and then creamer. So, you trying to get away from Teddy? He's not gonna take it from you. So, that is what we got at Target. Right, now we have to put all of it away. Did you have fun at the playground? Yeah, good. That's so nice. And he got a cake pop. I got the pistachio, cold foam. Yeah, no more though. You already had it. It was yummy?
Yeah.
Good. And I got pumpkin bread and it was delicious. These are the dark green pants. So cute. I love them. So it's supposed to rain the next couple of days and I just want spring and summer so badly. I want the warm weather, the sunshine. I miss it. I miss being outside so much. It's definitely a little bit more difficult in the colder months. But anyways, I got a big box. I'm not gonna show you everything, but I do wanna show you a couple things. Some might think this is very tacky. It kind of is. But also kind of pretty. Isn't this? This is a purse. This is like fancy. Cheap, but fancy. I don't know, I really like it. I think it's like so different. I don't have a purse that looks like this and I think it's like really girly. So that's a little sneak peek. Oh, I wanna show you one more thing. I also got this. I got a little lingerie set and look at these little red roses for Valentine's Day. Obsessed. I got a yoga mat and then just a bunch of clothes. And I got new heels. Oakley's eating lunch. I wanted to tell you guys, I'm not gonna tell you exactly my plan, but I am starting a new business venture. So I didn't actually tell, don't give it to Teddy, baby. I didn't actually tell anyone about this except Scott, but we are starting a new business plan that I'm like really excited about. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so I wanted to make this matcha drink and see if it comes out any good because I have to practice making it. I don't know if it actually is gonna taste good and I wanna do an Instagram reel and make sure that it actually tastes good. So I put ice in a cup and then I'm gonna take these strawberries. I think I might have to like blend it. I'm not blending it this time, but I might have to blend like strawberries with milk. I don't know how much to do. These are very like finely cut strawberries. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Now I'm gonna add milk, and I probably would not use whole milk normally. I'd probably use 2% because that's just the milk that I drink, but this is Oakley's. So I'm gonna do this. So then it looks like that. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of Starbucks vanilla syrup, just like a smidge, because I want it to taste sweet. God, I hope that wasn't too much. And now I'm gonna top it with the xoxo matcha latte. No idea if this is gonna taste good. Isn't this supposed to come like sealed? All right, let's see. And how much matcha do I do? Okay, okay. Literally, I have no idea if this is gonna be any good. Let's mix it. This is gonna be something that I have to like play around with, I think. You know what happens to my straws? I'll tell you. I use a straw and then I forget to clean it. And I put it off to the side and I'm like, oh, it's probably way too gross now. So then I throw out my straws. This one should be good. Let me see, there's crumbs on it. Is anyone else's drawers filled with crumbs? Cause... All right, we're gonna give it a go. No, leave those in there, baby. Oh, you know what? This is actually really yummy. What? I'm impressed by myself. Wow, this is really good. This would taste, I think, even better if I did strawberries blended with the milk, like kind of like a cold foam. Mmm. Wow. I'm impressed by myself. This is yummy. Woo! We nailed it.
Woo!
Woo! Say hi. Hi. Say, I still use my binky. Binky boy. I don't think you can try it. Mama's gonna say no. You want to show them that? The bunny. Wow. Oh my God. And the puppy. So cool. Bunny. Is that Teddy's bunny? You want to share it with him? I also wanted to show you guys. This is also from Shein. But I'm like, well, I haven't tried it yet, but it looks really nice. It's a blush palette. They literally have everything on the website. It's kind of crazy. You having some water? But let me open this up because this blush palette is so, so pretty. Look at how pretty these blushes look. I like all the colors. I don't know the quality. It was very cheap, but it is cruelty free, so that's a plus. I don't even know if there's makeup companies now that test on animals. If there is, shame. But this is a very, very cheap palette, so we'll see how it works. I have not tried it yet. Just got it in, but it looks really, really pretty. So I'm gonna be testing that out, right? And it's almost Oakley's. You found your binky? Good. Come snuggle me. Yeah, we're gonna take a nap. We're gonna take a nap. Hand down the shirt, as always. You got your bunny. He does this to me and Scott, where he just puts his hand down our shirts, and for Scott, yeah, exactly. For Scott, he makes him take his shirt off. So just his wife beater, just he had, can I talk? So that he just has his wife beater on. But like for me, it doesn't matter what I'm wearing. But for Scott, he has to be wearing a wife beater. What are you doing? Huh? You are kooky. So many people over the weekend. Hold on, honey. Get up for a second. You can't put your whole weight on my arm like that. That hurts Mama's arm. So many people were saying that he was a redhead. So many people were saying that he was a little redhead. He does have strawberry blonde hair, but I don't know if he's a redhead. Look at your red nose! Okay, I'm gonna end my vlog here. I know it was on the shorter side, but I just wanted to say hi and update you guys and let you know that big things are coming for 2023. Okay. All right, you're giving Mama a really bad headache. I will talk to you guys in my next vlog. Bye.